Hey there, Boots Owen here. In a recent video about trying to clean out and power wash the inside of this machine, I managed to get a brush stuck between the drum and the tub. This is a sealed drum, so I'm going to just see if I can get it out. I have a feeling I can go in through the element. I think that's on the front on these machines, so I've got to take the front off. Shouldn't take very long. Ultimately, it'll take longer than I want to spend at it, and here we are, so let's just crack on. Come with me on a little journey to see if we can deal with it. And once I've done that, I might prepare it for washing machine destruction. I don't know, I don't really like this machine. It's all rusty, so the screws are coming out all right. Leave that on. It's a WWDC 9440. You know what you're doing, and I don't. Get into it quite quickly. I suspect I need to do this. Just like that. Push that in. Should be a wire on there, so let's turn that around like that. The element's not on the front, is it? Is it? No, I made a whole load of work for myself. Didn't I? I think I did. Right, where does that leave me? Can I see anything in here? Not really. Well, it's resting on the back of it. Right. That was a complete waste of time. Now what's it stuck on? Go. All back together again. Still see, 5 minutes in, one screw's missing. Elements typically don't want to come out. There it is, 10mm socket. Get it out a bit. Push this fellow in. Might come out, might not. Sometimes they just do not want to budge. Looks like it does in this case. Oh! I can see more money in here. Right. That was easy. Half of a tenner. Just can't find the rest of it. So, what can we see? Yeah, actually, it's pretty good. That would have been easier. Might be a long way in. It's right up the front. That's it. Just like that. That's what it looks like in there. I would dearly love to see the rest of that £10 note, but I don't know that I will. It looks quite clean in there. It looks quite clean. There isn't much to see. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be to get that out. Now I would dearly love to find the rest of £10. Let's put this element back in. I don't know what the point is. I don't want this machine. I want to smash it. To smash it, I need to hotwire it. Let's have a look at the wires. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires going down there. 2 of them are to a tacho. The rest are to brushes. It's an old brushed commutator universal motor. It would be quite easy to hotwire it. I just wonder, is there any point in pulling off that black hose there to see if there's anything in it? Might be. Could have a look. So the machine's kind of on its side now. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't. Pull that off. Pull that off. A £5? Holy moly. Jesus, there's money in this machine. Look at that. It's an actual £5. The side's washed off it. That's no good at all. I wonder, would that be accepted in a machine? It might. A machine might be that's got a rip in it as well. It's got its number on it though, so I could send that one back to the bank. Could be more in here. Let's pull the bottom of the hose off maybe. Have a look at that. I believe some of the money came out already. There's more in there. That one's got a number on it. Have to have a look at this. This is a proper excavation we've got going on in here. Can't see in there. Let's try and pop this ball out. Pop, come back. No, I don't see any more going on in there. Nothing doing. Not bad though, bit of a £5. It's going to cost me more to send that to the Bank of England than it will to... I'll get back from it probably, but I can give it a try. I wonder, can you go to a regular bank with them anymore? I have a feeling there's an internet that knows the answer. Right. Still haven't put the element back on. I don't know if I can be bothered. Where am I at with this? Nidec. There's the motor. I don't know if you can see that. You can, yeah. Nidec motor. Put it back on. Be a good boy. Keeps flipping on me. There's probably a tool that's better for this than the pliers, but right now, right here, I don't have it. Pliers with a little hole in it maybe, or something, a little groove. Might do a better job. It's right there. I need to get it on once. That's it. Is it? Is it on? It's on now. Right. Okay. Well, I feel like I've done as much as I can do on it. I'd love to see the rest of the money, but I don't. What I could do is try and jet it a bit more with the power washer, but it actually looks relatively clean in there now. The other option is to cut it open with an angle grinder, but there's no much point in that. It's just being silly. Right, this goes back in like this. That's it. And draw it up with the nut. And then put the plugs back on where they came from. Kind of holding their position here, which is handy. If you were going to replace the element, that's how you do it too. Get one bit over the lip and then keep working from there. These gloves are pretty dirty. So that's back on. It's the spring on. some of them are harder than others. That's it, it's done. Right, door back on. Right, set it up again. So let's see what we can do here. That's the brush that I set out for. Meanwhile, money. So I don't think that's the same tenor. I think that tenor goes with that one there. No, it doesn't. Maybe it is that one, I don't know. And then this one, AJ40 026, so that's with that. So maybe that's that one, yeah. That's that one, and there's a spare bit. And this one has a number on the back, but nothing on the front. So there's 15 quid there if I can rebuild it, but 25 lost. Could be more in it, don't know. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me how you deal with this. I've seen videos recently, look, it's kind of melted off. The ink is still there, melting off. I've seen videos where you put in vinegar overnight, which is a bad idea. This will happen. Wouldn't recommend it clearly, because you'll end up with a piece of plastic. Yeah, not much good. Right. I guess it's worth trying to get 15 quid out of it somehow. If I could flatten them out a bit, I might get a thumbnail out of this somehow, but it doesn't seem to want to do that. Thanks for watching. See you later.